Hey everybody, it's Denise with Lily Pop Love. We've got day 5 of opening our presents with Jenny. So let's get into it. I don't have any clue what this is. Okay, here we go. We're fixing to though.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
It's day 5.
It's
and
8
it's time
o'clock
to
at
see
night.
what we have in the magic box of Christmas celebration for you on day 5. So let's take a look at what we got. All right, let's see. Oh, here it is right here. Oh, a nice big package. How fun is that? Let's see.
Some of these things aren't really...
Oh, I even got it off without tearing the paper. I love me a gift bag I can use over. All right. Oh, this is so fun. So this is a fun craft for you. We're making these fabric twine trees right here. You're going to supply the fabric. This can be a Christmas color. And then what you do is you just wrap it around these cute little trees, and you get to make this. Take a look at these. Look how cute these are. Are these not the cutest little decoration you've ever seen? I love all these colors.
Poppy thinks
just
so.
Twisted braid. It's so fun and easy. And of course, my elf will show you how to make these. But I'm going to set these right back here because today we're all
Oh, she's
about
got
the
her plate
Christmas
on a
tree.
stand.
And we love Christmas trees and
This is a
decorating
real
them.
life
And you can
house,
see I have
people.
my tree here, my tree earrings on. I'm all coordinated
Aw,
to celebrate with you.
she's so
Look
cute.
at this right here, a tree. Everything you need to decorate your tree. So I'm going to hand these off to my elf, and she's going to show you how to make these fabulous fabric twine trees. Here we go. Take it away, elf.
Okay, so this will be a really, I'm going to say quick. You think it'll be quick? I don't have any kind of yarn. Well, I'm not sure. But this seems like you could do this really quickly. I feel like this is a quick project. And it's really cute. And you have you some Christmas trees to put up. I like that we have projects. So here's what you need. And it is one, two, three. So let's see. And then you put your little, and then it has the little stars that go up top on the top of the tree after you do it. You could probably put other things besides yarn if you wanted to. So that'll be really cute. I'm trying to think of something else besides yarn that you had maybe you could put on it. I mean, if you wanted to glue little pieces of fabric on it, I expect you could do that. That would be cute. You have little scrappy trees, little scrappy Christmas trees. That would be cute. And if you wanted these a different color, you could paint them a different color. Yeah, that's a good idea. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching Jenny with me. This has been super fun. And we will see you tomorrow. Have a good night.